Hello GD2, ito na po yung aking pinamis na tutorial na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Watch this all over face a lane of fun page. If you remember there, or if you're not yet a member, then you can try to find the face a lane fun page on Facebook. Now, let's start with our tutorial. Ang ginawa natin last time is to make first our site. Now let's make our site Dreamweaver. Okay, and let's rename this into Pagulfok. Okay, folder, there you go. It's nice, diba? Then let's do the next. Clicking the next. Do you want to work with the server technologies such as Gulf Fusion? Let me just check this one if it's still working. I hope it's working. There. Yeah, nice and easy. Yeah. Do you want to work with the server technology such as Cold Fusion, ASP.NET, and ASP? No, we don't need that one. So no, I do not want to use server technology. Then click next. Then let's find a folder. Okay, where do you want your computer? Do you want to store your files? Let's click here. There. Let's go to your library and click document, and let's put some folder there, name Pagulfok. There you go. Now let's open that one. Open and select. Good. Now let's go to our next. And how do you connect to your server remote center, or server I should say? We have to choose here to the drop down arrow. Let's choose none. Then next. Then all done. There, very good. Where's your folder? Pagulfok. Pagulfok. There is your folder. There you go. Now let's make an HTML. Yan. So, doing this HTML, there you go. Wait lang. There, it's recording. Very good. Now, let's make our insert div. Okay, then makes okay. And how do you do that? Let's go to our insert and that common, and let's click insert div. Insert div. Okay, then okay. Insert div tag, and then let's put this word, my web page. There you go. Now before we go to that, kailangan muna natin siyang properties, and let's do change the background into number FFC. So pag i-choose mo mga colors dito, they have codes. And there you go. Let's choose this one. Then let's make this Verdana our font page font. Then let's apply, and okay, you've got the wonderful yellow background over here. Now what we're gonna do is to put this web page name to your center. Now let's right click that one, and let's go to align and center. Good, nice, well and done. Now we want to make this a little bigger. Let's right click, and paragraph format. You can choose heading 2. Okay, or you can go here, common, and text, and roll over down. You can see here, heading 2. Click that one. No, sorry, it's Control Z. Enlighten muna, then click that one. Okay, nice and well. Now let's press enter to your keyboard. Enter, and choose insert common. Let's insert another div tag. Okay, and okay. Now let's choose table. Then your table row should be 1 and column should be 3. And a table width is 200 pixels and border thickness is 1. Cell padding 0, cell spacing is 0. Let's click OK. Now meron tayong tatlong box over there. Let's erase this text. We don't need them. There. Let's go here. Let's click our div tag and right click that one. Div tag, right click, align, and let's go to center. So, para pumunta siya dun sa center. Wonderful. Now, we'll type a word here such as home. Okay, and press tab para pumunta dun sa kabilang box. Let's put this my profile. Okay, oops, double L siya. And press tab sa inyong keyboard. Let's put here picture gallery. Okay, so as you can see, sobra siya. Nagsiksikan sila sa loob. Then what we're gonna do is to drag it here. Okay, some more, drag it more. Okay, there. So, konti pa. There. Okay. Now what we're going to do is to put this in the middle. So, highlight, right click, align, center. Same thing with your profile. Right click, align, center. You're not in a lane, huh? That's align. There you go. Let's press picture gallery and right click and align and center. It's very easy, right? Okay, next, click here. Makikita mo dito yung iyong cursor. Then, let's put another div tag. Yeah, click div tag, insert div tag, and okay, and there. So let's open now the folder that I have given to you, which is the web page element. Open your lorem. There. Okay, and Control A to enlighten all. Okay, i-drag mo siya pababa. It's okay, but it's really hard. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. Okay, so right click, copy, and let's paste it over here. There. Paste. Okay, nandun na siya. So masyadong malapit siya rito. Okay, good. Now let's go here. Click here. Tabi ng I. Then we will put our picture. Okay, there you go. So let's go to common and let's go to all the way from image. Click image and find that folder. Nasa mo ba linagay? Ako linagay ko sa aking desktop. So you can see here, where is that website element? There you go. Now let's click this one. Then okay. Oops, wait lang. Save natin siya. Once more, image. Click this one. Okay. Yes, let's find the folder Pagulfok. There. Open that one and save there. And okay. Wow, nandun na siya. Malaki. So let's resize this by dragging this one. Wait lang. Here. Para lumage ng konti. There. Some more. There. Okay. Then what we're gonna do here is to right click this one because gusto ko siyang ilagay dito sa part na to. Okay, so I have to right click and go to left. Now it's all over from the left. Okay, there you go. Now, nice, well done. Now punta tayo dito sa baba. Click to here and let's put another div tag. Yun. So this is our div tag. It's okay, and let's rename this. What shall I do? Let's rename this into my web page. All rights reserved. (2012). Okay, then we will put that copyright symbol over here. So let's go to insert common and then wait lang, that's text. And let's go down here. In my case, I have the copyright symbol here. Pero pag hindi mo siya mahanap, go to your drop down arrow here, makahanap mo siya doon, copyright. Okay, now let's move this to the middle, then right click, align center, and let's make it that one italic. Okay, bakit tayo naglalagay ng copyright date? Para hindi siya, pag kinopya siya ng iba, you can sue them. Okay, there you go, para hindi nila kopyahin. There, it's wonderful, nice and wonderful. Okay, we want to save this one. Before saving this one, you have to name this home muna. There, good. Put the your home and the title. Now let's save it. How do we save? File, save as, find Pagulfok. Open that file and name this home. Very good. And save it. There. Now let's go to Pagulfok. Let's copy this home. Kung gusto mong yung design na yan, yung hindi ka na magde-design ulit, maglalagay ulit ng paulit-ulit na div, ganito na lang. So, let's just copy that home. So, let's do shortcut keys like Control-C, copy, Control-C, and paste, Control-V. Yun. Okay. Then, let's open this one. Very good. Now, let's remove this picture, si Mamang Guapo. And let's remove all of it. Delete. Okay, now let us put here, save it here, the profile. Once again, I give you the web page element. Let's open that, my profile. Okay, and enlighten, or Control A, and right click, copy, and let's save it over here. Good. So, tanggalin natin yung I doon. There. So, let's put also this one, right click, oh no, enlighten muna. Okay, right click, then let's put it all over to the middle. Good. Very nice. Okay, baba natin ng konti itong ating my web page already reserved. There you go. So nice. You have your profile here. It's finished. Then we will rename this to my profile. And let's save this. File. Let's go to File and Save As. And find your folder Pagulfok. Name this my profile. Okay, and save it. Good. Nice. Very nice. There you go. Now we'll open again. Let's go here and go to our home and remove again all the stuff. Okay, maglagay ka lang ng isang letra. So that hindi mawala yung div mo. There. So next is we will have to put picture gallery. There, your picture gallery. Let's go to our insert, common, and let's go to our table. There. So gagawa tayo ng 1 row and 3 columns. It's the same configuration dun sa ating table kanina una. Let's press OK. And I don't need that I. Delete. There you go. Then we will put here the picture of Tom Cruise. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is to click image. Hanapin mo yung folder ulit na web page element na binigay ko sa inyo. Then I click and let's choose this one. Click this one. Okay. And yes. And hanapin mo yung save natin siya sa folder na Pagulfok. Then save. Then okay. Then let's go to the second. Okay. Second, how do you call that? Box. Let's go again to our image. And let's go this one. Let's choose this one. Okay. And yes. And let's find a Gulfok folder. Open and save. Okay. Let's go to the third one. And let's go to our image. And it shows si Kuya Tom Cruise. Yes. save sa Google folder. Okay, and save it. Wonderful. Now, resize natin siya para maganda. Wonderful. Resize natin si Kuya Tom Cruise. Okay, now let's put it to this one. We'll put this in the middle. So click this. Diba na-enlighten siya. Then right click, align, and let's put it all over to our center. Now you have your, wait, move natin konti. And so we have your picture gallery. And now we will have to title this picture gallery. There you go. Now and save this as picture gallery. Save. Okay, we're not done yet. Punta tayo sa home and it's time for us to link this stuff. Okay, how do we link them? We have to enlighten or highlight home and go to your point to file. Drag it all over to your home. There, good. And also highlight your my profile and go to your link and point to file, point to your my profile. Same with your picture gallery, right? I'll highlight it, point to file, go to your picture gallery. Now kung may makikita ka, mayroong mga line dyan, you don't want that one. I don't need also that one. So we will go to page properties there, and I will change the link CSS to underline style to show underline only on a rollover. Okay, good. Now let's make apply. Let's do the apply and then okay. Wala na. Now let's move on again to our my profile. Ganon din. Let's enlighten this one and go to your link and drag it all over to your my profile. No, sorry. Control Z. Okay, let's do Control Z. Now to undo. Let's do this. Nagkamali ako. I should put it here to your home. Good. And my profile. And let's drag this all over to your my profile. Very good. Now picture. Let's drag this link over to your picture. There, may line uli siya, so you have to go to your page properties and let's go to your link and let's go to your underline style. Let's change it to show underline only and roll over. Apply and then press OK. Okay, now let's go to your picture gallery. There, so again, same thing. Highlight, then put it to your home and my profile. Put it to your my profile and gallery. Put it to your picture gallery. Yeah, okay, so how do we save them? You can go here, failed save, and click this one. You can just simply do Control S. Parang sa Word. Parang sa Office, Microsoft Office, okay? And save it. Okay, good. Now we have to preview. Let's go here to preview. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, so I'll preview it, or F12. Let's just use F12. There, F12. Now you can just go to my profile. Wonderful. And picture gallery. Wonderful. Home. Okay. So this is a simple website that I have taught you last Friday. I should have taught you last Friday, pero kulang na tayo sa oras. Now you can make your own also, and if you can do it better, then it's good. Well and done. Now you can just pass this on Friday. I need this on Friday. On Friday, I want to see this. Okay, GD2. Once again, this is Peter. I'd like to say thank you for watching my video tutorial for facial lane chapter, class GD2. Okay, now let's